Whenever you wish. You're viewing Abdullah Happy screen. अच्छा Abdullah का तो दे अस्सलाम वालेकुम वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Abdullah. Good afternoon, Safleen. Abdullah, you have joined? Abdullah Saqib.
Yes, ma'am. I joined.
Okay, so today Rights will be attending the classes.
You're continuing what we were doing last class, ma'am.
We'll continue with that only because they have joined, so I'll give them a little bit of idea what we are doing. Okay, and then we'll continue. Okay, let us wait. Rights May, who has joined in Rights? Yahya.
All are there in lights.
Muhammad Muhammadi, all have joined from Rights. Muhammad Muhammadi, switch on your camera.
Dawood sir told the 5 people.
Yeah, and Anas, right? Yahya, Abdullah, Patel, Muhammad Saqib, Anas Momin, and Muhammad Muhammadi. Anas, please switch on your camera. Everyone switch on your camera. And Mandela's, who is left from Mandela, still to join? Abdullah, just check Google Classroom. Yes, M&M is left here. Okay. Abdullah, check Google Classroom. I have sent exercise 3.6. Okay, so Mandela.
For Muhammad, right, ma'am?
Hmm?
For Muhammad, right? Or I should also take it because I'm on mobile. That's why.
No, you have to open, Abdullah. I'm okay. Let me explain.
Which page is it, ma'am?
I'll do that, Farhana.
Ma'am, which page it is?
Wait. Let me explain. See, I'm just talking to Mandela students first. Okay. So Mandela students, all of you have joined. Amina, Abdullah Saqib, Farhana, Munir, okay, Muazzam Mudabbir, Farhana is there. Only Ahmad is left, right? Who else is left, Safia? Can you check?
Humaira.
Humaira didn't attend in the morning also. Okay, so listen, Mandela students, exercise 3.5 we have already done. Exercise 3.6 I have uploaded on Google Classroom. This is a multiplication of decimal exercise. So for the time being, all of you from Mandela, just do it in your notebook, exercise 3.6. And till that time, I'll explain to the right students what we are doing so that
Exercise 3.6.
exercise 3.6, yes. So you have done it? Okay, fine. Okay. Exercise 3.5 also you have done, Amina, because you have not uploaded it on Google Classroom. 3.5, 3.6, some of you have sent me, some of you are still not giving me the answers on Google Classroom. Okay. So if you have not done, just complete 3.5. Okay. And one more thing, one correction I had to do. Ahmad has not yet joined. It was Ahmad's question in science class that electricity travels with the speed of light, right? He said that. So I want to have a correction in that. Electricity does not travel with the speed of light, but it travels faster, but the speed is very less than the speed of light. Okay, as I told you, because the movement of electrons are very slow. Is it clear, Mandela students? We were discussing about this in science class, so I just wanted to correct that. Electricity does not travel with the speed of light. Speed of light is very high. It is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, is it clear, Mandela students? Can you show
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 0.1 into 8.0, right?
0.1 into 8. That is the first question. Okay. So now,
Ma'am, I did not understand in the last class the mental method, ma'am.
I'll come back to that, Muni. Let me explain. First of all, you do exercise 3.6. Whatever doubt is there in 3.5 and 3.6, we'll address together. Okay. So now, Mandela students, you have to be quiet and solve exercise 3.6. Solve all the question. Whatever doubt is there, keep it there only. And let me teach the right students and then we'll join back. Okay. So I'm giving you 10 minutes time to Mandela students. You complete exercise 3.
Ma'am, I leave the meeting, ma'am. When I finish, then I can join, ma'am.
Yes. No, you are leaving the meeting. Why? Okay, you don't have that?
No, yes, I am on my mobile actually. So I'll
Okay,
just complete
so just
and then I'll come
complete
back.
and come fast. Okay, I'll
Oh,
send
10
message
minutes,
to
ma'am.
Muhammad Saqib. Yeah. Okay. Now coming to right children. See, we are doing here decimals, okay, and in normal right classes also I'll be doing decimals. So for now I am going to teach you decimal multiplication, and before the previous parts of those before the decimal multiplication we'll do it in right class. Okay, so since you have joined the Mandela class, we'll be doing decimal multiplication and decimal division with Mandela. Is it clear, the right children? Yahya, Abdullah, Muhammad Saqib.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll explain you how do we multiply with decimals Okay, and then we'll do the division part. So I'm just sharing the screen, whiteboard only. With the whiteboard only, I'll explain.
Ma'am, I'll leave the first question now because it is asking mental method.
No, you don't have to do mental maths. Do as we have done, the multiplication. Okay.
Ma'am, written method only.
Written method only. And you can do mentally. 8 into 1 is 8 only. That way. Okay. Now, Mandela children, you have to be quiet. Let me explain to write and do the questions and then explain. Then we'll come back to the doubts. Okay. Okay. So the right one, see, we are doing decimal multiplication. So decimal multiplication, you know what are decimal numbers? In detail, I'll be doing it in your normal class. But here,
This answer is 0.8 only, right?
you mute
It
yourself.
says 0.8.
Everyone, Mandela, please mute yourself. You're disturbing the class. Okay. So we are doing decimal multiplication. Any two decimal number, how do we multiply? Any known two numbers, suppose 22 into 3. How do we multiply? Yeah. What is the answer? 22 into 3. What is the answer? Yeah.
66.
66. So you multiply it normally, right? So when it comes to decimal, if I have to multiply 2.2 into 0.3, what I will do? I will do normal multiplication, which is 22 into 3 is 66. Okay. Then I will count how many digits are there after the decimal. Total number of digits. How many digits are there? Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So 1 plus 1. How many digits are there? This is 2 digits. Okay. So I will shift the decimal 2 digits. So my decimal will go 1 digit, 2 digit. So my answer is 0.66. So when I multiply 2.2 into 0.3, my answer is 0.66. Is it clear, Yahya? Abdullah, is it clear? Okay, one more question I'll give. Suppose my question is 1.23 into 3. Multiply this. What is the answer, Anas? 3 3s are?
339.
Okay. 369. Now, how many digits are there after decimal? How many digits are there? 2 digits. So, I will shift decimal from the right end. So, my answer will be how much? 3.69. 2 digits I'll shift from the right end. And my answer is 3.69. Okay. So is it clear now? I'm giving you one question. Do it in your notebook and tell me what is the answer. 2.56 into 1.3. What is the answer? Do it in your notebook and give me the answer. Anas, Yahya, Abdullah, Patel, Muhammad Saqib and Muhammad Muhammadi.
Ma'am, I have one question. That below is also one decimal number. So we will count all the decimal
All
numbers.
the decimal, yes. 1, 2 and 3. You will shift 3. But first multiply 256 into 13. What is the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Who has got? Anas?
Muhammad Saqib.
Muhammad Saqib. Yes, give me the answer.
4.840.
4. No, when you multiply 256 into 13, what is the answer? 4, 8?
Ma'am, sorry, I wrote 15.
You wrote 15. Give me the correct answer. Anybody has solved?
Yes, ma'am, I'm just...
Yeah, give me the answer.
21.68. 3.328.
3328 is the answer if you multiply. All of you have got this? And how many digits are there after decimal? 3.
Ma'am, 1.024.
No, answer is 3.28. See, I'm multiplying. How you are
Ma'am, 1.024.
No, that is wrong. See how I'm doing it over here. See, 1.3. This is first I will multiply with 3. What is it? 6 3s are 18.
18.
Carry 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 6. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Then I will do with 1. Okay, here it is 0. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 5,
5.
5. 1 into 2 is 2. Add it. 8. 6 6 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. 9 10 11 12 13. And carry 1 plus 1 3. Is it clear? See, Yahya, you are doing mistake. Yahya, Abdullah, check it.
Ma'am,
How many decimals are there? 3.
this
Answer is 3.328. Did you see a
Ma'am.
mistake? Yes, Anas?
in this 2.56 in
2.5.
the this one. First you have done that.
First I have multiplied with 3, then I have multiplied with 1. This way only you do in multiplication, na Anas?
Ma'am, this one, this you have to put arrow in that. This one. In this, below the decimal, you have put 1.
No need. It's okay. In multiplication, you can put anywhere.
3.328.
Okay, Anas? Because we are not adding it over here. When we are adding and subtracting, then you put decimal over decimal.
3.328.
Yes, 3.328 is the answer. Okay?
Jyoti ma'am,
Yes.
can I ask? Like in this 2a, 5 into 2.7. So we can write 2.7 into 5 like that.
Yes. 5 into 2.7
Yeah.
is same as 2.7
And into 5. We can write
Okay.
like that.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, now right children, do this one. 2.7 into 5. What is the answer? Yes, 13.5. Now it is clear to you all. How do we do the multiplication?
13.5.
Yes, so I'm making you do the textbook questions now. Now tell me the answer. 0.1 into 8. Anas, what is the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got the answer.
0.8.
Yes, answer is 0.8. Second one, 0.3 into 3. Yeah, what is the answer? First multiply 3 3s and then put the decimal.
0.9.
0.9.
Correct, 0.9. C part. Muhammadi, give me the answer. 0.5 into 5.
2.5.
No, Muhammadi will answer. Muhammadi. Rest of you do this one. I'm writing the questions over here.
0.25.
No, 5 5s is 25. Only one digit is there after decimal. Here it is no decimal. So only one digit will be there after decimal. 2.5 is the answer. 0.7 into 6. Anas.
4.
0.7 into 6. What is 7 6? 42. And how many decimals after the digit? Only one. So only one digit.
4.2.
4.2. Mohammed Saqib, 0.9 into 2. What is the answer? 1.8. Yes. So this is the first exercise. All of you put down.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I 2.7 multiplied by
2.7 multiplied by 5 is this, 13.5. Only one decimal is there. So if you multiply, you get 135. And only one digit is there after decimal. Okay, Anas? Is it clear to you, Anas, or should I explain again?
Ma'am, explain again.
Okay, let me give you one more question. 3, Anas, you do this. 3.6 into 8. What is the answer? First of all, 36 into 8. Give me the answer for that. 36 into 8. Only Anas will give me the answer.
Ma'am, 288.
Okay, is it correct, everyone? 288. 288.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just count how many digits are there after decimal. Here only one digit is there, and here no digit is there. Only one digit.
28.8.
Correct. So 28.8 is the answer. So next question is this. Now next is 3 into.
Ma'am, 8 6 are 48, so 4 will go up, so 8 3s are 20.
Is it wrong? Multiplication is wrong. Let me check. It is correct now. Okay, 9.8 into 3. Multiply this. And next question is 3.15 into 2. All these are textbook questions which the Mandela children are doing in the
29.4.
notebook.
Ma'am, 9.8 into 3 is 29.4.
29.4. Only one decimal. What is 3.15 into
29.4. 6.30.
6.30. Okay. Is it clear? Everyone has got this answer?
6.3.
Okay. So I'm erasing this board. All of you have noted down.
6.30.
The right children, all of you have noted down the question and answer. Okay. So these were the questions in the textbook. Now next question is 0.1 into 6 is equal to how much? Anas, 0.1 into 6 is how much?
0.1.
Ma'am, can I say?
Let Anas say 6 into 1. Right?
0.6.
Ma'am,
0.6.
Yes, 0.6.
ma'am, my exercise 3.6 is complete.
Complete? Okay, I'm coming back now.
Shruti ma'am, in the third question, that
I think a third question you will be facing problem. So that is fine. I'm just giving you the answer. 9.2 into 4. I'm giving you the answer.
Ma'am, I got all the third. Third I already
Third
got.
you got it. Okay, you need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
write it over here. So 9.2 into 4.
36.8. 36.8.
Muni, check the answer.
36.8.
36.4, ma'am.
Okay.
36.8.
8 na Muni. 4 to the 8. Now okay, this is a question. One question. 4.2.
Sorry, sir, yes, ma'am. It is.
4.2
I wrote.
dash is equal to 2.8. What will you write over here?
Ma'am, we will divide it.
Ma'am, 7. 7.
7 fours are 28 and only one decimal, so 2.8. So 7.4. Okay.
Ma'am, first one is 0.6, no? Oh, yes.
Yes, first one is 2.6. Dash into 5 is equal to 3.5.
0.7.
Now what
0.7, ma'am.
will be quiet for some time?
0.7.
So it will be 0.7 because 7 5s are 35 and one decimal is 0.7. Okay.
4.3 into 2, ma'am.
Into
Into 2
dash
is equal to
is equal to 8.6. So if you multiply with
2.
Into 2.
2, you will get the answer. And dash into 3 is equal to dash. Anything you can write.
6.1 into 3 is equal to 18.3.
So anything you can write. 3 3s are, if you are writing, you will write 9 over here. If you write 0.
Ma'am, but ma'am, you cannot write anything, ma'am. It has given a box, ma'am. From that only we have to
From
take
that
it.
you have, okay, sorry. Okay, it has given a box, but I have not given them the box, so they can write anything. Let them be.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is done now. I'm clear. So this was multiplication. I hope multiplication is clear to you, right, children? Because already I have taught this in Mandela. So, okay. So now coming back to, now we'll start with division. All of you will start with division. So Mandela children, please join back. Have you completed the exercise 3.6? Everyone in
Yes,
Mandela?
ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have completed.
I can see only Amina, Muazzam Mudabbir, Safia, Farhana is there. Muhammad Saqib, please call Abdullah also to join the class so that we can continue. Okay, all of you have joined? I think Mandela, very few people are visible to me. Who is not there? Can you check and find out? Safia, who is not there from Mandela?
Ma'am, Ahmad, Humaira, and Abdullah.
Ahmad, Abdullah and Umaira. Okay, Ahmad did not join the class today in maths.
No, ma'am, he did not join.
Okay. Okay, call Abdullah Muhammad Saqib.
Ma'am, Ahmad just joined, ma'am.
Okay. Ahmad, you are so late. Why? Did you do the exercise 3.6? Ahmad, did you do exercise 3.6?
No, ma'am, he did not.
Yahya, you are there? Okay. Okay, fine. So now, Mandela children, please pay attention over here. Complete exercise 3.6 if you have not yet completed.
Only one is left, ma'am.
Okay. You
The
can,
answer is yes, right?
so I'm
You're
going
correct.
Ma'am,
answers
No,
I
they
give.
both are correct. But the zero doesn't matter.
ma'am, I submitted it on Google
It's
Classroom.
after
ma'am.
decimal.
Okay, I'll check it.
Which-
I have given you the answers. Those who are there in the class would have seen it. I gave the answers. Now we are going to do division. So before that, as you all know what we do, this is using decimal. You have to write the answers over here from the numbers over here. Okay, I'll give you one hint from where to start. Okay, we will start from here. 0.6 into 10. Okay, now you don't write. I will be writing. Don't write because then it gets confusing.
6.
Ma'am, you
0.6 into 10. Anas, what is the answer? 0.6 into 10 is, what is the answer?
6.
It is 6. Okay. Now this is 6 plus 5.6.
Ma'am, how it happened, I didn't understand. 6 into 10 is equal to 0.6.
No, 0.6 into 10 is, what is 0.6? If you multiply 0.6 into
Ma'am, I understand.
6 into 10 is 60. One decimal here. So it is 6.0. Okay. So 6 is gone. Yes. Now here we are doing 6 and whatever number is here, you have to add 5.6. So that means we have to do 6 minus 5.6. Now Mandela children can answer 6 minus 5.6. Safia, what is the answer? Can you subtract?
0. Ma'am, can I tell?
6.0 minus 5.6. What is the answer?
0.4. Sign is plus.
Yes, ma'am, the sign is plus.
No, here you will do 0. See, this is reverse. 0.4 plus 5.6 should be 6. Is it clear? So when I am going back, I have to do the reverse thing. Is it clear? Because arrow is going there. So 0.4 plus 5.6 should be 6. Is it clear? Now, Abdullah Patel, 0.4 into 3. What is
I
it?
didn't understand this one.
0.4.
No, I didn't understand this one.
Ma'am,
This 60.
1.2.
1.2.
1.2.
1.2.
1.2. So 1.2 is gone. Now 1.2 divided by 4. Okay, division I have not taught. Anybody knows? Can give me the answer.
0.
0.3. Yes, 0.3. Now 0.3 divided by 10. Who knows?
0.03. 0.03.
0.03.
Yes, 0.03. Okay. Next block. What is the next block? It's not visible on my screen. Okay.
0.3 into 2,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Be divided by 2 you have to do because
Into two, ma'am.
Ma'am, it
Into
is
2, na, ma'am.
multiplication.
see multiplication when this number is there then you have to multiply. Here when you are going back
Ma'am.
you do the reverse.
1.5, ma'am. 1.5.
So, ma'am, it was here divided by 10. You should have done multiply by 10, na, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm going straight. See, from here I'm going straight towards the arrow, but here I'm not going towards the arrow. Here I'm going backwards.
Yes, ma'am, you will do division, ma'am.
We'll do division over here. And when
Ma'am,
you are
1.5, ma'am.
not 1.5, it will be
0.
0.0. Sorry, it will be 0.015. 0.015. It's okay because division we have not yet done. I'll be doing division again. Now you add this. Abdullah added 0.015 plus 0. Abdullah Saqib 0.025 and 0.015. What is the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 0.025 and
This one.
0.0.
0.3.
No.
0.075.
0.075.
No, that is also
stop.
wrong.
Ma'am, can I say?
0.075.
0.040.
0.4 is the answer. 0.04 is the answer. Add it. 5 plus 5, 0. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 0 comes here and 0.0. Okay, now 0.015 into 100. Yeah. Tell me the answer. 0.015.
1.5.
Hmm?
1.5.
Yes. 1.5. 1.5 into 5. Muhammadi, what is the answer? 1.5 into 5.
7.5.
5 are. Where will I put the decimal?
In between.
Yes. 7.5 divided by 10 is Safia.
0.75.
Yes.
0.75.
Now, if you subtract minus 0.15, you will get
No,
0.
7.5. Yeah.
Okay. So this. Okay. So whatever is left, don't worry. I'll be teaching it again. So. Okay.
Decimals can be in Greek color. Put the numbers below.
We have done multiplication. I already
Yes, ma'am.
you have to multiply and put the decimal, count the decimal digits and put the decimal from the right towards the left. And you have to shift like that. So we have done this. So I'm just moving forward. These were the questions that we did in the class. So also we have done. Now today I'm going to start with decimal division. Anybody is facing difficulty in understanding, you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
what if it is decimal divided by decimal?
first we'll do decimal divided by a number. Okay. So wait, I'll use the whiteboard only and then I'll share whiteboard and we'll do that. So dividing decimal by a whole number. For example, I have to divide.
Shreya.
Don't do the scribbling. Suppose I have to divide 2.2 divided by a whole number, any number, I'll write 3. Okay. So what I will do, normal division, if I see,
22.
I'll check the first digit. First digit is smaller and then next digit you have a decimal. So I'll see, I have to take 22 now. So for taking 22, a decimal is there. So I'll put a decimal in the quotient and 3, how many times is 22? 3, how many times will go? 22?
And 11. No, ma'am. 22 doesn't
3
go in.
doesn't go, but what
3
quotient?
7s are 21.
3 7s are 21. So I'll write 21 like this and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now what I will do, please stop doing this. Who is doing this?
Ma'am, you'll add one more 0, right?
Ma'am, can you
It becomes 10.
Yes, Yaya, what did you ask?
Ma'am, you do stop.
in the meeting settings?
Ma'am, you can do stop participants annotate. You go and view if you are screen sharing now, so you go and view options and you can do it.
Okay, but disable attendee annotation, right? But
Yes,
then
Yes, yes.
I would be able to annotate then.
Yes,
ma'am,
you
you
can.
will be able
Yes,
to
ma'am, you
annotate
can annotate.
because
Okay.
you are the share screen.
Okay, right. Okay, 0. I have put 0 over here because you don't have anything. Then I'll put a 0 and questions in
Ma'am,
decimal.
10 would be 3 3s are 9.
Huh.
So 3 will come on
Wait,
top.
Safia, let me explain to everyone. So 3 3s are 9 I will do. So I did 9. Now
One.
10 minus 9 is 1. Once again, I'll put a 0. This way it can go, okay? So again, it comes out to be 3 3s are 9. Now what is happening? You see, every time you are
Now
putting...
you will put a bar.
So yes. So I'm getting a repeated number. So how I will write? My quotient is 0.7 and 3 gets repeated. It will keep on continuing. So I'll put a bar over here. So 0.73 bar means it is called as repeating decimal.
Ma'am, can we write like 0.73
So
dot?
You
Ma'am,
can
so-
write like that also. You can write 0.733 dot 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 dot, and in short form you will write 0.73 bar. Means
So,
it
ma'am,
continues.
ma'am, while we are doing decimals, we need to do it to the we don't need to leave a remainder if it is possible.
No, remainder will be there. Na? See, always it is a remainder, so I put a 0. Decimal is already gone, so I'll put a 0 and I'll continue. But you can see it is non-ending. So it is called as non-terminating. It means it is not ending. So it is called as non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, it is called as non-terminating repeating decimal. So you got in the quotient 0.7333 gets till continues. So you will say this as non-terminating repeating decimal. Now suppose I'm giving you another question. Suppose I say 12.5 divided by 5. Okay, now divide this. 5,
When 12 becomes 10.
5 2s are 10.
10.
2. Now next is what? Decimal. So I have to put a decimal in the quotient, not in the remainder. So I
comes
My
down
2.5 is the answer.
and
5 by the 25.
5 5s are 25. So you get a 0 remainder. Okay. So in this case, your quotient is equal to 2.5. It is called as terminating decimal. This is called as terminating decimal.
2.5.
Yeah. So this is called as terminating decimal because it has got a 0 remainder and you got end 2.5. Okay, now if I give you, suppose if I give you 125.326 divided by 8, give me the answer. Give me the answer.
8 ones are 8.
No, you have to do it in the notebook, Muhammad Saqib. Do it in the notebook. Amina, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
My Wi-Fi was gone.
You didn't understand, Anas, the division part. Did you see the division?
No, ma'am. My Wi-Fi was
I'm
gone.
doing it over here. This is a decimal division. Your dividend is decimal and your divisor is a whole number. How will I do? 8 ones are 8. Okay, because 12 is there. So 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is how much? 4. Okay, what will come now? 5 will come over here. So 45. 8 how many times will go on us? 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 4 5. Now after 5 you have a decimal. So I'll put a decimal in the quotient. Pay attention over here. After 5 it is a decimal. So I'll put a decimal in the quotient and I'll bring 3 down. So 3 comes here. 8 how many times?
8 6 are.
8 6 are 48. What is the remainder? 5. What next
5.
number will come down? 2. So again 8 6 are 48. What is the remainder I'm writing over here? 48. 52 minus 48 is how much?
4.
What number will come now? 6.
6.
Ma'am, 6 is the remainder, ma'am.
Where 6 is the remainder?
In 125.3.
45, 40, and the 6
No
is
remainder,
the
no. So 6 will come over here. Now you will put a 0 over here. It goes on. Now put a 0 and what is the answer now? 8 sevens are 4. Again put a 0. 0 you will put. After decimal you can put 0 on your own. So your
I got the answer. The answer is
if we put
15.66575.
yes, this is the answer. I have written it over here.
then if we put
You are also
then if we put 0 beside zero beside the 6, so in the answer section there will be a 0 or not.
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is
can I
tell the
answer?
very big sum.
Only,
Ma'am, it is a very big sum.
Okay, it is a very big question. Okay, one more question. Let me
Ma'am,
give.
ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt. Like, can we just divide it and then add the digit, like count the digits and add the
No.
decimal?
No, that is in multiplication. You cannot do that like that. We have to do like this only. Wherever decimal is there, there only
Ma'am,
in the
can I
quotient.
say
you put.
15.66575.
Yes, that is the correct answer. It is there here. I have written over here. 15.66575 is the answer. Okay, let us do some more question. Let me see. Okay, question is 2.35 divided by 5. Write down. 2.35 divided by 5. What is the answer? Now see, 2 is there and then decimal. So you will start with a decimal sign because I need 23. Muhammadi, how many times it will go? 23. 5?
Ma'am,
0.47.
0.47.
So 5 fours are 20. 3 will come down and 5 will come down. So 5.
0.47.
0.47.
So answer is 0.47. Okay, now I'm giving you one more question. 0.12 divided by 3.
Shri ma'am, I had a doubt in the first question.
This
Like, yeah,
what is the doubt? Tell me.
because 56 comes, then why did we write another 5 beside it?
Where this
In
was,
the last question, we wrote
what was the question?
125.326
Ma'am,
divided by
0.04. 0.04.
in the ending it was 56. Then why did we write again one more 5 beside it?
0.04.
Yeah, I'm coming to that question. Just wait for 1 minute. I'm just doing this question, then I'm coming to it.
0.04.
Okay. You got 0 point because 1 will not go. So I have to take 12 together. So I'll put a 0 sign because 1 cannot go alone. So I have to take 2. I have already put a decimal. So 3 4s are 12. So answer is 0.04. Yes, Afia, tell me what was the question and what is your doubt? Tell me.
8 divided by 125.326. So now
125.326.
divided by 8.
Yes. So
And
8 ones are 8,
yeah.
right? Then
8, then 45.
yes,
5
then
will go
8.
down. After that, we put 40, then 5. No, 6 will come.
No, 3 will come first.
Ah, yeah, 3. 53. Then 48
Ah,
will come.
yes.
After that,
Remainder.
53, 5. Then 6 will go down.
2 will come first.
Acha,
3
52.
gone, 2 will come. So again 6 are 4. Now 6 will come. Is
46.
it clear? Yeah. So now,
Acha,
is it clear now?
yeah.
Then 6. Then you will put a 0 and then it goes on. Okay?
So why 7 here, ma'am? Then
Where is 7? Because
The
60,
answer.
60 is there. So 8 sevens are 56 hota hai. So you have to put as 56.
Understood.
Now,
Yeah.
this is required only when in the question they have asked 5 decimal place. If they have, otherwise you will do till 2 decimal or 3 decimal and then you will leave it as it is. Okay. Questions may in decimal question maximum till 3 decimal we find the answer. We don't need to continue with. Okay. Now when we are dividing with a decimal number by a decimal number. For example, my question is
6 minus 40.
dividing
6, 0, 7.
decimal by dividing decimal by a whole number is clear to all. Fine. Show me a thumbs
Yes.
up, everyone. Okay. Now dividing decimal by a decimal. So what is the first step that we do? Suppose I have to divide 1.2 divided by 0.03. Okay. So first step one is what we'll do, we'll write it in the form of fraction 1.2 0.03. Okay. Now in decimal division, we cannot have decimal in the denominator. We cannot have. So I have to convert this into whole number. So for that, what I will have to do, I will have to multiply this with 100. Okay, because when I multiply the denominator with 100, it becomes 3. So when I am multiplying denominator with 100, I will have to multiply the numerator also with 100 because otherwise the value will change and I don't want to change the value of the question. So first step is just check the number of digits after the decimal and multiply with a number, means 1 with 2 zeros. So 1 with 2 zeros and here 1.2 into 100. What is 1.2 into 100? You shift decimal 2 digits. Answer is 120 and in the denominator it is 3. You can easily divide it now, right? This is how much? Directly in the lowest form you can do. 3 4s are 12 and 0. Answer is 40. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, I have
Yes, ma'am.
One more question.
Can you show one more?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that 100 multiplied
Yeah.
by 0.0.
So, okay, I'm doing it once again. Suppose my question is 2.52 divided by 0.2. Okay. So first step is write in the form of fraction. This is clear. I have to write it in the form of fraction. You know that I can write it in the form of fraction. Divisor is always in the denominator. So 0.2. Now, how many digits are there in the, after the decimal, how many digits are there, Abdullah Patel? How many digits are there?
In the
after
numerator, there is 2 and in the denominator,
Ah.
there is...
But I need to find out about denominator because decimal divisor is not possible. So I need to check only the denominator. So how many digits are there in the denominator? Tell me after decimal. 1. So multiple of 10, which has got 1 0 is 10. So I will multiply with 10 in the numerator and in the denominator, 0.2 into 10. So what happens if I multiply 0.2 into 10?
5.2.
Your decimal is gone.
25.2.
In the denominator, your decimal is gone, and in the numerator,
But so ma'am, how we will do that 10 like
see,
first
1
we
0
will
you have to put 1 0, 1 decimal digit, 1 0. 2 decimal digits were there, so 2 0 se multiply karna tha. If you have 3 decimal digit, you will multiply with 3 zeros, that is 1000. In the
okay,
denominator,
so we have to multiply the last the decimal number only.
The denominator decimal and the numerator with the same thing. Okay, for example, one more question I'm giving you. One more question. Wait.
Ma'am,
How
can
did
you,
it come?
ma'am, can you tell me what if there is a decimal and we have to divide and the two like that to 25.2 divided by 2? What we have to do
We
then?
did just now, na? 25.2 divided by 2 we did just now, na? Dividing a decimal by a whole number. We did it. 2 ones are 2. 5 will come. 2 twos are 4. 1 is the remainder, and decimal, next digit is decimal. So he'll put a decimal over here. And 2 6 are 12. This thing is clear now, everyone? This we did just now.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Dividing a decimal by a whole number. Now what we are doing? Now we are doing dividing a decimal by a decimal. So again, see, once again I'm explaining. Dividing a decimal number by a decimal. Okay, so numerate. So first of all, my question is 1.2561 divided by 0.012. Okay, I have written directly in the form of fraction. Okay, so now which number I'll multiply in the numerator and denominator? Amina, you tell me which number I'll multiply in the numerator and denominator.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
say?
in the numerator you will add 0.012 and in the denominator you will add 1.2.
No, I'm not adding. We are dividing. My question is, this is my question. 1.2561 divided by 0.012. Okay. So I have written it in this form. This is my first step. Now, which I have to divide with certain thing because I don't want this thing in the denominator. I don't
Ma'am,
want.
you will first
Yes, ma'am, you
multiply it with 1,000. You will multiply it with 1,000.
Yeah. So I
First.
will multiply with 1,000 in the numerator and in the denominator. What will I get in the numerator? Muhammad Sami, what will I get in the numerator? You just have a short.
Ma'am, can you show multiplying this on the board?
Yeah, I'll show it. See, when we are multiplying with tens and hundreds now, we shift the decimal towards right, the shortcut method. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros
Three.
are there. So I will shift the decimal
1,256.1. 1,256.1.
6.1 divided by, here it becomes 1, 2 and 3. So
12.
Now can you divide this? Anas, Muhammadi, can you divide this? This is simpler to do now because we have already learned how to divide a decimal number by a whole
Okay.
number.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
12.
5 will come over here, but 5 doesn't go. So I'll put a 0 sign over here and I'll put a 6 down because 2 numbers I'm bringing down. When I bring 2 numbers together, I have to put a 0. Okay. And then decimal is there. So I'll put a decimal. Now, how many times it will go?
4 are 48.
56 minus 48. How much? 8.
8.
And then 1 will come down. 12 6 are 72 and you have a 9 remainder. This will continue, but your answer decimal is 10.4. Okay, this is the answer.
How, ma'am? But
तभी तो
Ma'am,
ये
but we
अंदर काम हो रहा है.
again and again put 0 in the 9.
You can you can continue that, but I'm giving you answer till 2 digit only.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you give one question?
one question. Okay, I'm giving you one question. I'm giving you over here. Question is, divided by,
We have to do the method that he showed now, no?
yes, the only one method is there. You have to write in the fraction form and then do. Give me the answer. First, you will write it in the fraction form. 1.356 divided by 1.1. Then what you are going to multiply?
Into 10 now.
Yes. What do you get? One decimal shifts here.
11.
In the numerator, what will you get?
13.56.
13.56.
Now divide 13.56 and 11. Ones are Somebody solve it. I'm not going to solve. I'm just giving you hints so that you do it faster. Time is getting over. 3 minus 1, 2. Decimal. Next is decimal. So put a decimal. Amina, is it clear to you?
1.235 dot 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 dot.
11 2s are 22.
Ma'am,
3 comes here.
1.235 and go on.
No, not 235. How come 235? 1.23, 22, 8 is the remainder, 80, 1.2327.
Seven and going
You are
on.
finding out it is 1 point, only 4 decimal you find out. Don't go continuously, okay? 1.2327 is the answer.
Now 1.23
27.
and the remainder is
Remainder, let it be. You just give me the quotient. 3 decimal or 4 decimal. Till 3 or 4 decimal you find.
Ma'am, it will repeat like 1.2327, 2327, 2327, ma'am.
Okay, but you find it till 2327.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
I did
gave
it.
the answer in the chat, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did till that, ma'am.
Ma'am, I gave the answer in the chat, ma'am.
7 and continue.
Yes, 2327, 2327, like that. Okay, fine. So is it clear? Now next class, I'm going to give you questions. Just revise this and we'll be doing questions on division of decimal numbers.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what is the homework for today?
Today's homework is
Three.
you can try to solve exercise 3.7. Otherwise, we can discuss it in the class also.
Ma'am, what is the remainder 5?
It is
Ma'am,
continue. It
We
is
just
continue.
need to find out the quotient, Abdullah. For decimal division, we are
okay,
not
ma'am, I
working
found out 1.2325.
27. Last digit is 7.
327.
Okay. So check your answers, revise it, and next class we are going to do the questions on division, and then we'll do the next exercise for Mandela. Okay. So
Okay.
bye everyone. Clear to you all?
Bye,
Right.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Both. Fine.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.